Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Desmalia Erna from 6B. I want explanation about my final exam, that is an error analysis on the use of past tense in narrative text. So without any further ado, let's get started. So this study research to research an error analysis on the use of past tense in narrative text. Besides, this chapter discuss about the background of the study, the statement of the research problem, the objective of study, the significance of the study, the scope and the limitation of the study, and the definition of key terms. Globalization era brought the big effect to all levels in society, and we as a society must be prepared to encounter all of change in our sector. The sectors such as economy, education, technology, and etc. Besides the effect from the change of globalization is a system that organizes society life. There are many institution and company use English as their language because English is one of international language that became standard to create communication in the world. Thus, English is very important to learn. If we want to understand about English language, we must mastering 4 skills. The first is speaking, listening, reading, and writing. So in this study, research focus to research and error analysis on the use of simple past in narrative text, and this study is related with writing skill of students because writing skill is different from another skill in English learning process. Writing is one of 4 skills in English and important since writing can make us to express anything in a paper. Writing can help us to remain our idea after we read information. The most important, we can share the information to other people. Writing requires thinking, and thinking is always complicated and hard. Writing is complicated also because the writer needs to do everything at once. The writer produces words, sentence, paragraphs, and extended composition all at the same times. Words must be spelled, sentence punctuated, and paragraph unified. Therefore, we need accuracy to make paragraph because the information that we deliver to reader can easy to understand. Based on background above, we can arrange the question for this study. The question is, what types of past tense errors made by students in writing narrative text? The objective of this study is that the research want to analyze errors of past tense that made by students 8 grades of writing in narrative text. After the research finished, the result of this study is expected to give a contribution to the teaching and learning process in English, especially writing. For English teacher, this research study can improve the teacher's ability to help students in teaching writing in the class. Besides that, the English teacher is able to use the interesting media like using English diary to improve the students' ability in writing. So after the teacher read this study, they're more careful to check using grammar that made by students. Therefore, teacher can find new method to teach grammar, not only simple past, so the teacher can guide the students to make narrative text with correct tense. And for the students, this research study can be used to help students in writing. It means that students can practice to make narrative text. If students often practice to make narrative paragraph every day, students will accustomed to write with less mistake. Besides that, students more careful to use their tenses in their narrative text. Based on the study, this research limit to analyze error by students 8 grades in writing narrative text, and the research focus on simple past. Thus, this research conducted error analysis in writing narrative text based on survey structure taxonomy. There are omission, addition, misinformation, and misordering. Definition of key terms was made to clarify the difficult meaning and avoid misunderstanding to the reader. The researcher classifies some terms as follow: writing, simple past, past progressive, and error analysis. This study focused to research and error analysis on the use of past tense in narrative text. Besides, this chapter discuss about the relevant theories of the study. The point that we would like to discuss by researcher are writing, tenses, error analysis, narrative text, and the previous study. Definition of writing. Writing is very popular in English learning activities. Writing is an activity where someone can express an idea or opinion on the paper. Besides, we can share information or knowledge to the reader, not only express our idea, but we need accuracy and carefully to arrange paragraph as well. Meanwhile, writing is a medium of human communication that represents language and emotion through the inscription or recording of signs and symbols. So from definition, we can conclude if writing is a part of skill in English learning activities and has a different characteristic among them. Besides, writing also needs organizing idea to share the information for the reader. It means that the writer has a characteristic to share the idea in writing. Therefore, the writer makes the reader easy understanding the content from paragraph, and the purpose of the text was made by the writer. The process of writing. Writing has 5 processes to become good paragraph. The elements are pre-writing, outlining, drafting, revising, and editing. The types of writing. Writing has types that must be learned based on Wikipedia. Types of learning writing has 4 styles. There are descriptive, narrative, argumentative, and expository. Error analysis. Error analysis is a tool to help the researcher check the grammatical error that made by students, especially using tenses in narrative text. It means that error analysis is very important because the researcher would do the types of error done by students of using past tense in writing narrative text and the factors that influence their errors. Error analysis become 4 types. There are omission, addition, misinformation, and misordering. Besides, this theory was taken by survey structure taxonomy. There are 3 factors that influence students making error in their writing. There are such as language transfer, and then the second is teaching method, and then the third is lack of writing practice. This study, the research focused on design, population, sample research instrument, technique of collecting data, and the technique of analysis data. This study used qualitative descriptive method. So the purpose of qualitative is to help or to find the solution of the phenomenon happened in society with doing investigation to object research. To collect the data, the researcher had some procedures to answer the problem that made by students in using past tense in writing narrative text are the researcher trying to collaborate with English teacher to give narrative text writing test for students. And then the researcher used interview with English teacher and some students, and then observe the writing activities in the class with using observation checklist. To make a conclusion or answer the question of the researcher makes some procedures. The first is analyze the student's assessment and focus to analyze using past tense with observation checklist. The second is classify the types of error, and the researcher check in the observation checklist column based on students' error. The third is wrote the error sentences by students in error column, and the fourth is write the collection of sentence in correction column, and the fifth is describe her analysis with using qualitative description method and using formula to help answer the research. Okay, that's all my explanation. Sorry for all the mistakes. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.